Hey, what's up everybody? I'm KB Kwai. Welcome back to this series, Simple Delicious Eats. And today I'm going to show you how to make a famous Cantonese dim sum called Shumai. And you might have tried that before in a Chinese restaurant. You might like it very much. But in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it's going to make it at home. Let's get started. Before I show you how to prepare the shumai, let me show you the ingredients that is required. Over here, I have some minced meat. You can use pork, you can use chicken. If you use pork, it is best to get the pork that is with some fat. That is going to make the shumai more tender. And it is also better if you add some shrimp meat together with the meat. That is going to really elevate the flavor. And I also add some Chinese shitake mushroom inside. Over here, we have some seasoning ingredients. So once we mix the meat and the shrimp and the mushroom together, I'm going to season it with the following ingredients: oyster sauce, sesame oil, some Chinese wine that is optional, and then black pepper, sugar, cornflour, and some salt. And lastly, wrap the meat with the wrapper. And that's all you need before you steam the shumai. I've soaked the shiitake mushroom in water. If I use cold water, it will take slightly longer. I use warm water, so it's much faster. Now you can see that it's already soft, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Cut the mushroom into small dice. As for the shrimp, I'm going to coarsely chop it, but before that, I would like to add some baking soda and a little bit of salt plus some water, and then I will let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse away all the salt and the baking soda thoroughly, and then only I will chop it into small pieces. Now this is an optional step. The goal of this additional step is to make the texture of the shrimp to become more crunchy. You can opt not to do that, but if you really want to get an excellent result, let's do it. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we chop it into small pieces. I've rinsed the shrimp thoroughly with water to remove the baking soda and salt, and put on a piece of paper towel to keep it dry. Now let's roughly chop the shrimp. There's no need to mince it, just roughly chop it so that there will be some texture when you bite on it. Let's combine all the ingredients together before we wrap it with the wonton wrapper. Mix all these ingredients together, just like making a meatloaf. Mix it together until it is very cohesive and bind together like a baked meatball. Okay. I want to show you a simple way how to do a taste test for something that is raw. So in this case, today I have some fillings of the shumai, and I really want to do a taste test. That's how I do it. Just take a little bit of it, put it into a ceramic bowl or ceramic plate, pop into the microwave, and let it do it over medium to high heat for 10 to 15 seconds, and there you go. That's the way how I do it. The taste is perfect, and you need to make any adjustments. This is a wonton wrapper. I get it from the grocery store. If you don't use it, just keep it in the refrigerator to prevent it from sticking together. And because it is square, what I'm going to do is to cut off the 4 edges a little bit to make it easier to wrap. Now let me show you how to make the shumai. Get a piece of the wrapper, put it at the center of your palm, and then get some fillings, Place it at the center. And after that, just close your hand this way. Close your hand. And it will stick together. Hold it, turn a little bit to make it nicer looking. And then squeeze the center of it. Squeeze the center. Alright. And then press the top to flatten it and make it more compact. Put it on a flat surface. Make sure that it stands well so that when it's steamed, it will not fall off. And that's it. Simple. Let's make one more. Put it right at the center. Give it a squeeze. And then shape it. Squeeze the center. Give it a small turn. And I think that's it. Put it on the flat surface. And if you have something protruded out, you can just cut it off. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's make another one. Put it at the center, squeeze it, and shape it. Squeeze the center, and press it down to make it firm inside. Place it on a flat surface to make sure that it stands steadily. And that's it. Let's see how many we have made all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altogether 24. Place the shumai in a steamer, ready for steaming. Steam the shumai for 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes over high heat. Okay, 8 minutes up. I didn't steam it for 10 minutes because my shumai is not very big. Okay, it's done. Remove it from the steamer. Okay, it's done. That's how to make shumai at home, and I hope you will love this recipe. You can use pork, you can use chicken, you can use shrimp, or you can make a combination just like what I did. And I hope you will try this recipe at home and leave your comment how is it turns out and let me know. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video, and also I will add it to the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.